Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your computer location on or off. Right, so that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my computer right here. I'm on my desktop. So what I want us to do, just click on start menu right here, and then I want us to click on settings. Click on your settings. So once you have that, now I want you to click on privacy. Click on privacy right there. Right, so this should be opening up. Now once you look here down here, you will see you got this location right here. So click on that. Now as you can see, location for this device is on because mine is already on. So if yours is off and you want to turn it on, just click on change, and then you should make sure you unmark this. So make sure this is turned on. So if you want to turn it off, make sure you unmark it to turn it off like this. So as you can see, now my location is off. So to turn it back on, just have to click on that and then make sure it's on. So that's how you can turn your location on or off in Windows 10. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.